Andy from 凯霄 Machinery. This is fine Caterpillar 336 D2L use the excavator. Let me show you. Welcome to visit my company, 凯霄 Machinery.
Remember to like it. Thank you.